A lot of times ribs and gussets are helpful when you have a more complex design. So if you have an area where, for example, again, you have maybe more variance in wall thickness, you can add these ribs and gussets to help fill in areas where maybe the metal would have, if you didn't have it, would have solidified before reaching it. So it helps metal flow to different complex areas in the casting. If you don't need it, then try to design without it, but it is helpful to have those as you start to get into bigger parts in general, and especially where there's going to be a lot more surface area to cover.
It really allows you to have some of that complexity without adding that additional cost of a thicker wall, which means more metal, which means more cost. So, you know, very, very important to keep in mind as you're designing your part. Again, you know, do you want a good casting coming out? Does it need to be permanent mold? Does it need to be dyed? Does it need to be sand casting? But keeping, you know, ribs, fillets, that type of stuff in mind as you're designing this process here.